Hey guys, welcome to another video from Nanasheshi. Today I'm going to show you how to convert any speaker into a Bluetooth speaker. For this video, I'll be using a speaker from F&D. As you can see here, this 2.1 speakers does not have any Bluetooth connectivity. To convert these speakers into a Bluetooth speaker, we are going to use this wireless music receiver, which converts the Bluetooth signals into 3.5mm audio jack. Links to where you can buy this adapter is in the description. If the speaker has a USB port, you can connect the adapter to the speaker itself. In this case, we have no USB port on the speaker, so we'll be using a USB to AC adapter. Now let's connect it to the speaker and check how well it works. Now I'll pair the device with my smartphone. The sound quality is excellent and there is very little audio lag. Well guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you for watching.